All right. So, this whole thing's been just nothing but surprises. It's like, but not the fun surprises, you know, like, oh, I got you ice cream or a milkshake or none of that shit. No. No, 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 no. We get shitheads. And it's like 11 o'clock. We're done. So I got to clean the head up. But I lapped all the valves. And I don't know if you can see that, but they're dry. I've already tested these. So, yeah, I still have a whole nother head to do. So I'm probably not going to film that. You kind of get the gist off of this one. If I film anything, it'll just be like, you know, super, like, fast. So it really doesn't matter. And kind of where we're at on the whole thing. So we're like right there. We're in the this isn't fun anymore stage. And now we're having some speed to us because it's not fun. Driving the car, 10x. That's the fun part. But that's only like, shit, in my case, it's like 5% of the time. Not really. I drive most of them for a while. So yeah, we're junkyard, man. So it's a junkyard Coyote build. And it's kind of being treated as such. I cannot seem to, like, if you're ever in this situation and you're like, man, do I want to deal with this or take it to a machine shop? If you have the extra $1,000 laying around in the project, machine shop all day. Like, don't supercharge it, don't nitrous it, don't do none of that shit. If you've got another $1,000 left in your project money, just take it to a machine shop, let a professional do it. I've just, like, made myself suffer with this through the original 4.6 dual overhead cam, 2 3 valves, an EcoBoost, and now this. So I've done it enough times that it's like I know where the pain in the ass is going to be. So I kind of sort of knew what I was looking for in these engines. So it's always an alternative. I've kind of kept a running total on the project so far as a whole, and I'm in the good. So yeah, Hypnosis. If you want to do a Coyote and you want to do it for cheap, junkyard is always a plausibility if you can find them in a junkyard. Or cores. People are, they're getting mileage on them now. And they're spinning rod bearings. Both, you know, had the first core, the rod bearing hadn't spun, but when I pulled out the bearings, they were starting to cook. So, I have a feeling you're going to see a lot more coming onto the market. The market's obviously adjusting. Coyote prices are coming down. It's cheaper to Coyote swap. I am still at that point where it is cheaper to Coyote swap than it would be to do like an Eaton swap for this car. Because that was kind of what I was torn between, was an Eaton swap and a Coyote swap. And right now I am cheaper than just buying the Eaton swap.